Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting hardware right. Plug the drum module into your Mac via USB MIDI or into your audio interface with TRS/1/4 outs. Install any required drivers and update firmware so Garageband recognizes the device. Once done, set the module's MIDI channel to a standard channel and disable its internal click to avoid double monitoring. These steps prevent latency and duplicate signals. They also make Garageband's input device list populate correctly. Now move to Garageband itself. Open Garageband and choose Preferences, then Audio/MIDI. Select your connected interface or USB MIDI device as input. Create a new track. Use a software instrument if you want Garageband drum sounds, or an external MIDI/audio track to record raw triggers or audio from the module. Set the audio buffer to 128/256 samples to balance latency and CPU load, and enable low latency mode during recording. Make sure the track's input monitoring is on, then do a quick snare/hi-hat test to see MIDI or audio activity light up. Arm the track and perform a quick recording. You'll want to verify note mapping. Open Piano Roll or Drum Machine Designer and ensure each pad sends the expected MIDI note. If pads don't match, remap in your drum module or within Garageband. Record several takes, adjust input gain, and add a click track. Once you're happy, quantize conservatively to preserve feel. If something goes wrong, like latency or missing notes, increase buffer. Enable direct monitoring on your interface or reinstall drivers. That usually fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.